What's going on, everybody? We are back at it again with another banging video. All right, so in today's video, what we're going to talk about is the different asset classes you can trade in Forex. So Forex pairs, indices, metals, etc. So a couple terms and definitions, right? We'll just go ahead and talk about this now. Major currency pairs. There are 7 major currency pairs. Majors always include the US dollar and are a combination of the 8 most traded currencies, which we'll list those out. Cross currency pairs. Cross currency pairs do not include the US dollar, and crosses that involve any of the major currencies are minors. All right, minors currency pairs. Crosses that involve any of the major currencies are minors. And exotic currency pairs. Exotic currency pairs consist of one major currency and one currency from an emerging market. All right, so the Forex majors, the 8 most traded currencies in no specific order, by the way, are the US dollar, USD, Euro, which is represented by EUR, the Canadian dollar, CAD, the Japanese yen, JPY, the British pound, GBP. Try saying that 3 times fast, right? The Australian dollar, AUD, the Swiss franc, CHF, and the Chinese yuan, CNY. So a combination of these countries form the Forex major pairs, and these major pairs include GBP, USD. I'll just call it GU, right? So GU, USD CHF, which is the dollar Swissy, USD JPY, Y, which is the dollar yen, AUD USD, which is the Aussie dollar, NZD, USD, which is Kiwi dollar, USD CAD, which is the dollar and the loonie, and Euro USD, which is the euro and the dollar. Forex minor pairs, so Forex minor pairs or cross pairs do not include the US dollar, and some examples of this would be Euro, GBP, JPY, and Euro JPY. As you can see, GBP is a struggling one for me. Different tradable assets. On top of currency pairs, a range of Forex brokers also allow you to trade energies like crude oil, US oil, and Brent oil, UK oil. Metals like gold, XAU USD, which is actually one, I actually split that up, was actually XAU USD, and silver, which is XAG USD. So you're even capable of trading some of the stock market indexes like the Dow Jones Average, US 30, NASDAQ 100, NAS 100, SPF 500, Standards and Poor 500, and also can trade major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even more things past that, depending on what your brokers allow. So different brokers do allow different things, so you kind of have to gauge what your broker allows depending on what broker you decide to go with. And we will briefly touch on brokers, but I kind of like to leave that up to the average person to decide, because once again, not a financial advisor. So let's take a look at what we can trade in TradingView. All right, so pop on over to TradingView. You already know. Let's go to indices. So you can't actually trade this, but US dollar, right? DXY US dollar. You'll see any of my videos, I'm always playing with the US dollar because I personally think it's the most important thing to look at. US 30, right? Dow Jones, NAS 100, the NASDAQ 100 companies, which actually is what this list, some people have been asking me what this list is behind me. So that's actually the top 10 companies in NASDAQ, SPF 500, and Dow Jones. So just in case you were wondering what that was, there's your answer. S&P 500. Now this is actually, you can't trade it, but with TradingView it allows you to view a lot of different things. So this is actually the U.S. government bonds, 10-year, UK 100, which is the UK's top 100. It's pretty much the UK's NASDAQ 100. Here's UK oil, right? US oil. German 30, which is like German's Dow Jones. And a majority of these you will be able to trade on your broker, depending on your broker. But like I said, always analyze everything. Gold went on a heck of a run. That's crazy. I didn't even see that. Silver, Bitcoin, which is tanking, by the way. and Ethereum, XRP. Even got a stock on here. Now, also, some brokers do allow you to trade stocks as well. So that's the thing. Taking a look at just a few other, let's say, currency pairs, AUD. Right. So here we got the Australian dollar, or where's our majors? We'll go to our majors first. Majors. And when it comes to our majors, we got our AU, EU, which is US dollar, Euro, US dollar. Reset this chart view. Go to daily. Reset this. All right. I haven't been on a lot of these charts in a while. GU, NZD, USD, USD CAD, and USD CHF, USD JPY, etc., etc., etc. Right. So that's actually going to complete us for this video, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Peace.